Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth to your Hyundai Azera. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your Azera's Infotainment screen. From there, simply select the Bluetooth option. This initial step prepares both your phone and your vehicle for a seamless connection process, getting you ready for hands-free communication and audio streaming in just a few moments. Next, on your Azera's display, you will see an option to add new device or pair device. Select this to begin the search. Your vehicle will then scan for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. Once your phone's name appears on the car's screen, simply tap to select it. This action initiates the crucial pairing sequence, bringing you one step closer to enjoying all the benefits of a connected drive. Now, a 6-digit passkey will appear on both your phone and your Azera's display. It is very important to verify that these numbers match exactly. Once confirmed, accept the passkey on both devices to finalize the pairing. Your phone will then indicate a successful connection to your Azera. This secure step ensures that only your intended device is linked, protecting your privacy and connection integrity. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy a range of convenient Bluetooth features. Make and receive hands-free calls, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through your Azera's premium sound system. Easily manage your contacts and review recent calls right from the car's display, enhancing your driving experience with seamless integration and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.